Hello everybody, myself D. Prabhu, working as an assistant professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering, Hindustan College of Engineering and Technology. I am going to present a small presentation which is the topic which comes under the engineering graphics. The title is Projection of Planes. In a projection of planes, first we will be seeing the some basic things about the projection of planes, and after that we will be seeing one problem which is related to the projection of planes. Okay. Now we get into the what is the projection of planes. Usually, what are the things which will be given in the problem means what is the usually asked in the problem means there are to draw their projections from the by the mean of front view, top view and side view, that is given as FV, TV and SV. That is a given. Okay. Normally in a problem they will ask to project the front view, top view and side view of the components. Okay. Next, what will be given in the problem? Normally in a question what will be given? They are usually give the description of plane figure, and second one its position with VP and HP, that is vertical plane and horizontal plane. Okay. Next, in which manner its position with HP and VP will be described. Normally it will use it to describe that in a two positions. One is inclination of its surface with one of its reference line will be given. In a second case, inclination of one of its edges with other reference plane will be given. Okay. In these two cases, the second case will be, which is the object will be inclined to both the planes. That means inclined to the both HP and VP. It's look like an inclined to both HP and VP, horizontal plane and vertical plane. See here. First, they have given normally will be used to see the three figures in a screen. In the three things which is given in the screen: surface parallel to HP and surface inclined to HP. And another one thing is small side inclined to VP. Since we are going to see the problem which is projection of planes, in that projection of planes we are going to see a rectangular plate problem. Okay, so I am going to teach a small explanation about the projection of planes in a rectangular plate. See in the first case, in this diagram they used to give a vertical and horizontal plane and the position of the plate, that is a rectangular plate. Okay, rectangular plane. See the green color box, it is represents the vertical plane. Okay, and the blue color box it represents the horizontal plane, which means a vertical plane means the view from the front, horizontal plane means a view from the top. Like that you have to decide it. Okay, see in the first object a rectangular plane which is in a parallel to the HP, which look like an parallel to HP. When it's look like the parallel to HP means when you see from the front view, normally a plate, rectangular plate, when you see from the front view means it's look like a single line only. Okay, see the red color line, you can able to see only a single line, you can't able to see the complete object of the rectangular plate since it is in a parallel to HP. When you see from the top view, you can able to see a complete rectangular object. Okay, rectangular plane you can able to see it. Okay, that is it has been shown. Okay, after that you come to the second case means it is here the surface is inclined to HP, the plate is inclined to HP. In this case, when you see from the front view, you can able to see the plate in a inclined to HP, maybe at whatever the angle, maybe 40, 45, whatever the angle, the plate will be inclined position, in the inclined position. This is the position. Okay, when you see from the top view, same rectangular plate, it's look like an, moreover it's look like an, a dimensional difference will be there from when you see from the top view of the when you see from the top view of the component. When you come to the third case, a small side inclined to the VP. In this case, when you see from the top view and front view, it is in a both the side you can able to. This is the third case. It is an inclined to both HP and VP. It's look like that. When you see from the front view, the plate will be drawn like this. It is will be in a tilted in on particular angle. When you see from the top view, here also you will be tilted in a particular angle. Okay, it's look like this. When you used to draw in a A3 sheet, you can draw the in a A3 sheet, you can draw like this. In a VP, draw a line of A dash, B dash and D dash and C dash. And similarly, in a HP, you can able to see the rectangular plate, so you can draw as per the dimension. In a second case, when you're drawing in a front view, it's look like a line which is inclined in a position. In the top view, the dimension difference will be there, but it's look like a rectangular plate. In the third case, both HP and VP, it will be having some inclined position, that is have been shown. Okay, these are some cases which is in a rectangular plane. Okay, these are the three different cases. Mostly these three cases will be asked. Okay, here the given the question is, a rectangular plate of 30 mm and 50 mm side is resting on HP on one of its side, which is inclined at 30 degree to VP, while the surface of the plane makes 45 degree inclination with HP. Draw its projections. So they asked to draw its projections. Now we are going to draw the rectangular plane projections in the particular data which is given in the problem. Okay, by using this particular data. Okay, first thing you have to see a smaller end is of 30 mm and a bigger end of the rectangle is 50 mm. So first you draw the actual position of the rectangular plate. Okay, it is normally resting on the HP. So resting on its HP means when you see from the top view, you will be able to see the rectangular object. Okay, when you see from the front view means, that is when you look the vertical plane means it's look like an line only. Okay, it's look like a single line is drawn. Okay, now you draw the first you have to draw the reference line XY. Draw a line of XY which is a reference line. After drawing, draw the rectangular plane of dimension as per the given dimension, 30 mm of smaller end and 50 mm of bigger end. Okay, that is the breadth and height. Okay, after drawing this, you just project the component which is in a front view. Okay, it is the top view of the component which is you resting on a HP. Okay, when you mark and plot the points of the each edges A, B, C, D. After drawing this, you draw the reference line, and in a vertical plane it's look like a line only. Okay, horizontal line, it's look like one horizontal line. Okay, after drawing this horizontal line, you just plot this point as 1 dash, 2 dash, like that. It is particular surface is parallel to HP. Okay, 1 dash, 2 dash, like that. Otherwise, you can mark it as A, B, A dash, B dash, C dash, and D dash. Here I marked as one A dash, B dash, C dash, and D dash. After drawing this, in a question they given that which is inclined at 30° to VP, a smaller end on HP, one smaller end or a smaller side which is inclined to 30° to VP, and the surface of plane makes 45° inclination with HP. So first you draw the line of 45°, the distance which is taken from the reference plane, that is an A dash to B, A dash to D dash, otherwise B dash to C dash, like that you have to take it. Okay, take the distance, and after that you just draw the line which is inclined, a same line which is in a second position, A dash, B dash, and C dash and D dash. No, that same line you have to tilt it in a 45° and draw. After drawing this, you just mark the and plot the points in an inclined position. Okay, the surface is inclined to HP. You just mark it as A dash, B dash, C dash, and D dash. After that, you just draw the reference line for this particular inclined position from the A dash, D dash, B dash, and C dash similarly. After that, you just draw the horizontal line, a reference line of horizontal line which intersects the points A and D and B and C. After drawing this reference line, you just mark the points where the A dash and A intersects, and B dash and B intersects, C dash and C intersects, and D dash and D intersects, and mark the particular points as, just name it as 1, A1, A2, A1, B1, C1, D1, like that you just mark it. After marking, you just using some additional, you can able to see from the top view, it's look like a dimensional difference in the rectangular plane. Okay, after drawing this, in a question they given that which is inclined 30° to VP also, this same plane which is inclined at 30° to VP. First draw a line of 30°. You have to tilt this particular diagram, that is the fourth position of this particular diagram. The first position means as usual, first position A, B, C, D, that is the first position which is in a horizontal plane, and second position means it's look like a line, no, just A dash, B dash, C dash, and D dash, it is like an horizontal line, no, it's the second position. Third position is a surface inclined to HP, the particular line which is in a 45°. The fourth position is this is the fourth position, A1, B1, C1, D1. This is the fourth position which is an rectangular plane which is inclined at 40°. This is the view from the top. When the plane, rectangular plane is tilted in a 45° means this is the actual view from the top. Okay, this is the actual view from the top. So then you have to tilt it again in a 30° to VP. First draw the 30° line and you have to tilt this fourth position in a 30°. Okay, this is the fifth position. Okay, after that you just mark it as the side inclined to VP. Okay, after that you mark these points as A1, B1, C1, and D1. After that you just mark the draw the line, reference line from the A1, B1, C1, and D1, a small thin reference line which is vertical reference line from the A1, B1, C1, and D1. After drawing the reference line, again you have to draw the reference line from the position of third position, that is the surface inclined to HP. From there you have to draw a reference line from A dash, B dash, D dash, C dash, and D dash. After drawing this line, you have to mark the point where the A1 and A dash is intersecting, and B1 and B dash intersecting, C1 and C dash intersecting, D1 and D dash intersecting. You have to mark that point, and after that marking, you just connect the lines. These are the points which are intersecting each other. After marking the points, you just join the A, B, C, D. To differentiate this, I have marked as A1 dash, B1 dash, C1 dash, and D1 dash. After that, you just draw the dark line. This is the actual question, the required projection of the problem. Okay, this is the required question of the problem. This is the conclusion. Here we have drawn the 6 positions of the projections. First position is an actual position. First 2 positions are the actual positions of the rectangular plane, and third and second is the surface is inclined at HP. What is the position? That is the third and fourth position. And fifth and sixth position will be considered as when the surface is inclined to BP. What is the position? So this is the final position, that is from the given problem. Okay. Thank you. This is what how the problem to be solved in a projection of planes. Thank you.